So I have to put balance beads, 2 of these bags in there. I hope you can see it. I need 1 pack of XL and 1 RS all together. So they belong in there, and they will balance the tire when it rotates. Oh, this. Just kick it in there. That's it. Jeez. So that tire doesn't have a rotation direction, then it's okay. It goes on. Next. Seal ring goes on next. Next is actually the split ring. You see here? That's the splitted ring. So some people say these are split rims, but that's actually not correct, because it's a split ring rim. Yeah, because the split rim, this rim doesn't split. It's just a ring which holds the actual counter ring down, you know, or in place. That is what is splitting. So just a split ring rim. Or some people say multiple part rim. Yeah, whatever. So that's next. Put it on the opposite side of the valve, just for the sake of it. Yeah, that's right. Make sure this is 100% hooked in. Next is the safety plate, basically, and that little spring goes on. And yeah, that split ring is actually the difficult part, because that's what they call widowmaker. If this is not properly hooked in the rim, then if you inflate the tire and pressure builds up, it could push the ring off the rim and catapults the ring up in the air. Okay, and if your body is in the way, that is maybe not a good thing, right? So this is the whole assembly, and we basically just have to inflate them now. So that's how I do it. I bring it up to 5 psi, which is almost nothing, but enough pressure on the ring. So now I'm checking, I'm improvising basically impacts on the tire and also on the rim and see if there's something let go.